Unlock the full potential of Zillow by understanding which account type best fits your real estate journey. First, for most individual users, you'll simply create a personal Zillow account. This is your gateway to explore homes, save favorites, and connect with agents. To begin, navigate to Zillow's homepage and locate the Sign In or Create Account option. You can typically register using your email, a Google account, or a Facebook profile. Once registered, you'll be prompted to set up your basic profile details, which you can always adjust later. If your primary goal is buying a home, this standard personal account is perfect. You can save specific properties you're interested in, track their status, and organize them into collections. Zillow allows you to set up customized search alerts based on your preferences, like location, price range, and number of bedrooms, ensuring you're notified instantly when new listings match your criteria. This keeps you informed and competitive in the market. Now, if you're planning to sell your home, your existing personal account can easily adapt within your profile. You'll find a section often labeled Your Home or My Zillow, where you can claim your property. Once claimed, you gain access to tools that help you track your home's estimated value, view local market trends, and even receive personalized selling recommendations when you're ready to list. The platform guides you through creating your property details, adding photos, and setting up showing availability. For real estate professionals, lenders, and property managers, Zillow offers specialized accounts designed for business use. These professional profiles, like Zillow Premier Agent, provide advanced tools for managing listings, generating leads, and advertising your services directly on the platform. To access these, look for dedicated sections on the Zillow website, such as For Agents or Professional Tools, where you can register and verify your credentials. To unlock these powerful features, choose the right account for your needs to optimize your Zillow experience.